one of the important topic that's called as actions. After this, we are going to move forward with creating web applications and all. So here, suppose if you don't know any shortcut and you want to work on something, one of the very intuitive feature of IntelliJ is actions. How we can invoke actions? Actions window, simple. Just press shift twice. I press shift twice. Twice is for search everywhere. Let me explain this before I go further. Search everywhere. You can search for a class, you can search for a file, you can see now you see it's showing the class also, showing a file also, and if there are any other symbols associated with that same name. This is also one of the powerful feature. But what I want to teach you now is something called actions that you can invoke by using Control Shift A. This is the window which will lead you to actions. What is the shortcut name? Sorry, it is Command Shift A and it is Control Shift A in Windows. In Mac it is Command Shift A. So what you can do, let's say I want to increase the font size. Increase font size, I would say. Again, I would say Control Shift A. Increase font size. Or if I want to decrease, Control Shift A. Decrease font size. Control Shift A. Decrease font size. We are back to that. Again, Control Shift A. Like that, there are so many things you can do. Suppose if you want to run the program, just say run. Or debug, something which you don't know, if you just use the word, it will show all the actions associated with that. Or maybe you want to format the code, reformat code, so that is Alt Command L. Some of the actions, it will show the shortcut there itself. See, it's reformatted just now. How it was like this and it's like this. So we found this is what the reformatting. Let me do one thing. So I'll say here and I'll go to Control Shift A, format, and it gets formatted. And same way, again I will go to Control Shift A and I will say, let's say a new file. You see this, a new folder. So like this, there are so many things possible with actions. So suppose something, if you don't know where it is, what it is, then actions is the way. So just do not forget this shortcut. This is the master shortcut for all. What is that? That is a Control Shift A. I told you find the preference somewhere in your Windows. So if you don't know, if you just say preferences, it will take you there. Make sense? So this is the thing about actions in IntelliJ. Very intuitive feature. Even you will be continue using this. You will often depend on actions.